Hey friends, grab a comfy spot. I need your advice, and you, my viewers, are the only ones that can help. Hi friends, I'm Jackie of Junk Gal 63 Studio. I take scrap fabric given to me by my friends and turn them into quilt blocks and other projects as well. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back. Today we're doing something a little different. It's just a little chat. I need your help. We're at over 11,000 subscribers here, so thank you so much for that. I would like to pick your brain. I have some questions. If you wouldn't mind, you could drop your thoughts into the comments below on things that speak to you, on what you'd like to see here. There's no tutorial today, but it is just as important because it's about you and me and how we share our love of scrap fabric sewing together. Your feedback shapes everything I create here. So grab your favorite cup of something warm, because it's a little chilly here in Wisconsin, or something cold if you're in a warmer part of the country or somewhere warm around the world. Let's get started. All right, I'm going to be sharing with you the things that have been on my mind lately. Please be honest in your feedback. I really appreciate it. The first thing is video style. Do you prefer tutorials that guide you just by my voice, such as faceless videos, you've heard them called? Or would you prefer seeing me sew the projects or blocks step by step? Are you a detail-oriented person? I do try to let you know seam allowances, stitch lengths, the settings I have on my sewing machine. Would it be helpful to do a slide as I say those things? Just let me know on those. Or do you just prefer getting right to the project? Project preferences. What cool things would you make with leftover fabric that could brighten your day? Are you enjoying our quirky quilt blocks? Crazy quilt blocks? Quilt-As-You-Go blocks? Or would you like to see some different scrappy projects, such as tote bags, pouches, fabric journals, or maybe some fun new sewing techniques? I like going back and watching some of the vintage footage of the sewing tutorials, and some of those are really nifty. So let me know if you'd like to see some of those where I try to recreate what they've done. Do you prefer shorter, quick tip style videos or more detailed long form videos? I truly love sharing my faith-based devotionals, and I do plan to continue to share my faith and these moments with you. But would you like to see the devotionals set in a short form video, such as the YouTube Shorts, which could link to the sewing video for that day? Or let me know your thoughts on this. I prefer to leave them in right at the end. Something to encourage you, uplift you, but just let me know your thoughts. Would you be interested in occasional relaxed chats about fabric choices, scrap storage ideas, thrifty fabric finds? Because I do occasionally, when I travel, I like to stop at thrift stores and look for fabric bags. So let me know if you'd like me to share more of those, or my antique finds. I would love to do that. Or would you rather just stick to sewing projects? Would you enjoy occasional behind-the-scene glimpses of my tiny sewing space? Perhaps fabric prep routines, or even my sewing bloopers. Believe me, there's plenty of those. And lastly, would you be interested in me doing scheduled live videos? Maybe once a week, we could sew together in real time, We could chat and connect more directly. If you're interested, please let me know what days or times work best for you. Keep in mind, I am in Central Standard Time. I am a night owl, so that's not an issue. I rarely sleep, so just whatever your thoughts are, what would work best for you if you're interested in the lives. I know that's a lot of questions I have for you, and I appreciate each and every one of you that would take the time to provide the feedback. Thank you. Sewing with scrap fabric is about so much more than stitches and seams. It's about community, it's about encouragement, and building connections through the projects we create. Please take a moment to leave your honest thoughts in the comments below. I will be reading each and every one of them. You can also drop me a line at junkgal63@gmail.com if you would prefer not to post your response here. But please be kind. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I appreciate you more than you know. And I will be prepping for our 8th quirky quilt block today. Which one will it be? Thank you guys so much for your suggestions on that. I do have a Bible verse for you today. It's from Ecclesiastes 4, verses 9 and 10. 2 are better than 1 because they have a good reward for their labor. For if they fall, the one will lift up his fellow. Just like stitches that bind scraps of fabric together, our friendship and community strengthen each of us. Let's lift each other up, share kindness, and keep sewing together with joy and encouragement for one another. And until the next video, keep sewing, stay inspired, and God bless you.